So you want to actually use an image inside your material, like a wood texture, metal surface, bricks, fiber, anything with real detail. That's where the texture sample node comes in. A texture sample is basically Unreal's way of reading a texture and giving you its color data, normal data, or whatever map you plug in. It's the bridge between your imported texture and your material graph. Think of it as Unreal saying, show me the pixels and I will handle the rest. To use it, let's take a look at this example here. And as you can see on the screen, we have the material graph here where I have a texture sample and it's just an image dragged from the content browser inside a material graph. And you can even bring a texture sample node by right clicking and typing texture sample. But it's way easier to just drag it. But sometimes you need a texture sample so you can upgrade it to a parameter. But for now, let's just, have this one and connect it to base color. And you can, of course, drag a normal into it and, plug it to a normal map as well. But for now, let's just use it for the base color. And as you can see on the screen, how good it is looking on a cube, right? It's for the texture, we just use the base texture sample that we get with the mannequin, nothing too fancy. And you can also use this RGB plug it into metallic, specular, roughness. Although I don't recommend this because for metallic you have a metallic map, for specular you have a specular map, for roughness the same, the for normal you have a normal map, for emission you have an emission map. I mean, you get the point, right? And now if you are thinking, okay, where do you actually gonna use it? In literally every realistic material, whether it's ground, rocks, wall, characters, weapons, armors, foliage. If your surface need a actual detail from a image, you will be using texture sample node non-stop. It's the foundation of all PBR workflows and the heart of real world materials.